Hi, let's take one more question. Again, it is a word problem. In a group of 1000 persons, 760 can speak Hindi and 430 can speak Marathi. Find, three questions are given to us. How many can speak both Hindi and Marathi? How many can speak only Hindi and how many can speak only Marathi? So child, in order to solve this sum, again we can have two methods. Either we can solve by Venn diagram or we can solve by formula. Let's apply formula over here. It says that in a group of 1000 persons, 760 can speak Hindi and 430 can speak Marathi. That means in this question, it says about two languages, that is Hindi and Marathi. So we'll represent Hindi with one alphabet and we'll represent Marathi with another alphabet. We can use any two alphabets of our choice. So let's start this sum with the assumption. Let A and B denote the set of persons who can speak Hindi and Marathi. That means we have denoted the number of persons who speak Hindi with letter A and number of persons who speak Marathi with letter B. Since 760 can speak Hindi, in mathematical form it can be written as n of A is equal to 760. Since 430 can speak Marathi, in mathematical form it can be written as n of B is equal to 430. It also says that there is a group of 1000 persons, that means total count is given, and when we say total count, it is nothing but union. So this 1000 is nothing but n of A union B. So we write n of A union B is given as 1000. That means three information are given to us: n of A 760, n of B 430 and n of A union B, that is 1000. Now let's see what exactly we need to solve. First question says that how many can speak both Hindi and Marathi. When we say and, it means intersection. That means we need to find value of n of A intersection B. Let's apply the formula. We know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Let's substitute the values. In place of n of A union B, we'll substitute 1000 is equals to, in place of n of A, we'll substitute its value which is 760, plus in place of n of B, we'll substitute its value which is 430, minus in place of n of A intersection B, we'll substitute its value, that is n of A intersection B, right? Now 760 plus 430, so it becomes 1000 is equal to 760 plus 430. When we add, we get 1190 minus n of A intersection B as it is. In order to get value of n of A intersection B, its sign should be positive. That means we have to shift this term from right hand side to left hand side, and we have to bring this 1000 to right side. So it will become minus n of A intersection B. When we shift to left side, it will become plus n of A intersection B is equal to 1190 will remain as it is, and we shift this 1000 on other side, it will become minus 1000. Sign will change. Now we have to just subtract these two numbers, that is 1190 minus 1000 gives us 190. That means 190 person can speak both Hindi and Marathi, or we can write number of person who can speak both Hindi and Marathi is 190. So that completes our first part. Now the second question says that how many can speak only Hindi. That means we have to find number of persons who can speak only Hindi. Now if you observe what is given information, n of A is equal to 760. That means number of person who can speak Hindi is 760. But in this 760, 190 are those person who speak Marathi along with Hindi. That means if I want to find number of person who speak only Hindi, I have to subtract this 190 from 760. That will give me number of person who speak only Hindi. So I will have to subtract n of A minus n of A intersection B, that is 760 minus 190, and when we subtract 760 with 190, we get 570. So the number of person who can speak only Hindi is 570. That completes our second sub question. Let's observe third sub question. we need to find number of person who can speak only Marathi. If you observe our given information, number of person who can speak Marathi is 430. But in this 430, 190 are those person who speak Hindi along with Marathi. That means if we want to find number of person who speak only Marathi, we'll have to subtract this 190 from 430. That means we need to subtract n of B with n of A intersection B. That is 430 minus 190. And when we subtract 430 with 190, we get 240. So that concludes our sum. Number of person who can speak only Marathi is 240.